Today, let's paint something simple as we remember happy moments we have experienced during the day or week. We shall be using happy and cheerful colors like yellow, orange, pink and blue. To paint a happiness sky, we use watercolor paper, a round brush in size 1 and a flat brush, watercolors in the shades ultramarine violet, rose, orange, yellow, turquoise, cobalt and black. You can use whatever similar shades which you have. A jar of water, a paper towel, tape and a pencil. Let's start painting by using a light shade of violet and by making a straight stroke on the paper. As you make each stroke, think of something happy which happened to you recently. It can be something small or even something big. As you paint, think of moments you have made others around you happy too, like your family, near and dear ones, friends, and feel yourself being filled with happiness too. We continue to add cheerful colors to a happy sky.